Hi guys, Lens here. So we have a Samsung Galaxy. I believe that this one is the a52s, something like that. And we are having a problem with the charging. Moisture detection issue. And it will just be vibrating. Doop doop, doop doop. That's what we're getting. So we don't know exactly what caused it. We don't know if it is a malfunction with the temperature sensor blocking the charge, but looks like we'll have to open this phone and see how the inside looking. So let's go. So we're gonna open this phone very simple, and I'm not going to use any heat or anything. We're just going to pop this back off. And just like that, we were able to take this one off without any heat, right? So what we're going to be working exactly with is a charging port area down here. So I'm going to quickly remove these screws. Okay, so we just remove the back cover, and we need to just remove this board, which is a charging board. Normally if you just replace this, the problem is fixed, but definitely we don't have any at the moment, so we may have to, if we can't fix it, we may just have to replace it. Okay, so let me just take my time, remove this ribbon. This is the best tool to use to remove the ribbon so that you don't create any damage. Unplug this fingerprint sensor there, and we have a screw here which we need to remove. We need to remove this screw, this black screw. Once that is removed, then we can remove the board. So yeah, and also we're going to remove the antenna cables. So this is what is giving us the problem. So guys, I started a video on this phone actually some time ago. It's currently vibrating. I think we have water moisture detection issue. This one is the Samsung Galaxy A52, I believe. and I actually just got the charging board replacement, so we're gonna quickly replace that. When we try to charge the phone, we are getting this symbol, and it just keep vibrating. So we still have the phone in pieces, and I'm going to replace the board. Well, first what we need to do is just to do a test, then I can just conclude this video. The phone is very easy to put back up. So once I connect the ports and connect the charging cable, the type C cable, once I connect the cable and we see that it is charging, so we are connected there. Once we see that it is charging and the percentage is going up, then we know that the phone is fixed. We know that the problem is solved. And this is the defective charging board, and there's a lot of different components on it, so definitely you can see that the phone is charging there. So the problem is solved, guys. I hope that this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, subscribe. 1%. So are we just going to assemble this phone? So I'll end the video here, as to assemble this phone is quite easy. We have two antenna cables to connect there. We have the speaker along with the back cover for this area and the screws, and we have the back cover for the phone that we have to stick. We'll be using the B7000 to stick it, or you can use the T7000 to stick it. So I hope that this was helpful. Bye bye.